What's up? It's Ayiana Maria and I am back. Yes, I am back with another guitar lesson. Alright, so for this song you need to know 4 chords, and the first chord is A flat. So for this one you're making the bar chord shape for major chords. That's when you bar at the fret, so we're barring the 4th fret, and then we have the 2nd finger on the 5th fret, 3rd string, the 3rd finger on the 6th fret, 5th string, and the 4th finger right below that on that 4th string. So there we have the first chord, A flat. Then we have a C minor on the 3rd fret. This is the bar shape minor, or the minor shape for the bar chord. So you're barring the 3rd fret, 5th string up. Do not strum the 6th string. We have the 2nd finger on the 4th fret, 2nd string. We have the 3rd finger on the 5th fret, 4th string, and the 4th finger right below that. The 4th finger right below that on the 3rd string. And then we have B flat. For the B flat, you're going to be on the 1st fret. So you're going to have your 1st finger here on the 5th fret. And then for your other fingers, they're going to be on the 3rd fret. Now, it's up to you how you make this shape. Personally, I use my 4th finger. I use my pinky and I bar those 3 strings on the 3rd fret. I bar the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th strings with my pinky. Some people bring their 2nd, 3rd, and 4th finger on and use each finger, for each string. Alright, it's up to you, however you feel the most comfortable playing that chord, however you can get to it the fastest. And then we have the G minor, which is the last chord that you need to know, and they kind of use it in the song as a passing chord. So the G minor is when you bar the 3rd fret, and then on the 5th fret you have your 3rd finger on the 5th string and your 4th finger right below that on the 4th string. So that's how you play it. That's literally how it goes the whole time. Of course, you can throw in your strumming patterns that are preferable to you. Personally, I strum it like this. So I'm kind of doing a down, up, and mute. Down, up, mute. Down, up, mute. For each chord. Down, up, up. Down, up, up. Down, up, up. And for the G minor, I kind of do 2 downstrokes. Right, and if you really want to get fancy with it, you can hit them with the... Alright, if you're fancy with it, like you want to get, you know what I'm saying? But it's up to you. Whatever you be feeling when you be jamming to these songs or performing the songs is how you should play them. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you learned a lot from it and you enjoyed it, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell so you will not miss any of my daily videos. If you would like to see this video in more depth, I'm talking chord charts and lyrics and even backing tracks and one-on-one guitar lessons, make sure to check out my Patreon, which is linked below. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. Peace out.